Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. On the morning of Wednesday, the 24th of January, I did release a video on Nanosonics sneakily releasing a trading update after the previous day's session had finished. They released this particular trading update at about 4:30 p.m. Now, I am a little bit cynical when companies seem like they are dumping bad news after trading had finished for the day, because it seems like they want to sneak this out there so no one notices. But the market sees all. I see all, and I think the market even takes more notice when a company releases a trading update at 4:30 p.m. I think they notice a lot. So I fully expect the share price of Nanosonics to take a massive hit on January the 24th, and it did, down 33%. Now, I am a little bit surprised it fell 33%. I was expecting between about 10 to 25%. But in hindsight, when I looked at the chart, I definitely can understand why the share price of this company is down 33%. Yes, it all comes back to the chart. It all comes back to resistance and support levels and psychology of investors. So let's have a look at the chart to see what I am talking about. And this is Nanosonics daily chart going, well, actually a 2-year daily chart going back to the start of 2022. And I only have to go back 2 years just to see a few really important support levels for this company. And the most significant support level for this company was actually formed in June 2022. Remember, that particular month on the overall market was really weak. It fell significantly in June 2022, probably maximum pessimism in the economies around the world and also equity markets. And that's why the share price of Nanosonics went to a low of around about $2.87 in June 2022. And there was a nice little rally. Share price has been a little bit volatile over that 2-year period. And then, of course, the company released its trading update after trading had finished for the day on the 23rd of January. And when they did release a trading update and I went through it, it was maximum, maybe not maximum negativity, but it was negative. And I knew the market was going to react to this particular trading update quite badly. But I thought maybe between 10 and 25%. The reason I thought maybe 10 to 25% was based off 2 previous lows we have seen in the share price. So I thought best case scenario, share price would fall to about $3.70, which was the lows we saw back in late October 2023. And I thought worst case scenario, or maybe not worst case scenario, but a little bit more chance in the worst case scenario was the share price dropping to around about $3.30. And that was the lows we saw back in October 2022. So a little bit higher than June 2022. And most definitely the worst case scenario, and I did not think this was going to happen, the worst case scenario is that the share price for Nanosonics would test those lows we saw in June 2022. And on the worst day there, where the share price did reach a low, the low was 287, share price opened at 290 and closed at about $2.95. And lo and behold, what happened today? Now, the share price did open at about $3.06, if I remember correctly. And then we saw a little bit of selling. Share price went to a low of about $2.78. And then the share price rallied to about $2.90. And for the majority of trading on January 24, share price of Nanosonics was around $2.90, right on or just above that support level of around 287. Now, in my opinion, support levels are not one price. They're a zone. So right now, Nanosonics share price is in a support zone, and the market knows that. Investors are intelligent. They do know and remember lows of a company's share price that can go back years and years. So this particular low that investors remember for Nanosonics was around $2.90 back in June 2022. And if investors see the share price drop 33%, to that low that was formed back in June 2022, they might get a little bit excited, might think, well, there might be some good value in Nanosonics. And that helps support, hence the term support, that helps support the share price of the company. So actually not surprising in hindsight to see share price find support at $2.90, but I was a little bit surprised that it fell through the other 2 potential support levels at $3.70 and $3.30. I think it just shows you how negative this trading update actually was perceived by the market. And that is all I have for this second video I've released on Nanosonics in one day. Share price down 33%, a little bit surprising in my opinion. But if you have any questions about this company, if you asked, you're just frustrated like I am about Nanosonics, love to hear your thoughts too. But I am still going to remain a shareholder just because of the long-term potential of this company. In fact, I'm more likely to add to my position than sell my position in this company, because I think this company is now more attractively priced. And it wouldn't be surprising to see in 1 year's time, instead of a profit downgrade or a disappointing trading update, the company releases a profit upgrade and a really positive trading update. You just don't know with this company. But I am a little bit frustrated because this company has potential. And the question I have now is, can this company's management realize that potential? So that is a really important question that I will have and try to answer over the next few years. So if you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye.